Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for curry salmon. Now this curry is not going to be a traditional Trini curry. We're going to mix some Indian flavors in here also. So it's more of a Sri Lankan style curry fish. So if you guys would like to see how to make this, keep watching. To make this, I'm starting by seasoning my fish with fish seasoning. And I'm also going to add in some green seasoning. We're going to give that a good mix and set it aside, let it marinate for a little. You don't have to marinate it for too long. To a heavy bottom pan, I'm adding in my ghee or my oil. Next, I'm adding in some methi or fenugreek seeds, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, cumin or jeera seeds, and we're going to allow this to toast. You're going to toast your spices on a low heat until they're darker brown in color. After which I'm going in with my aromatics, onions, scallions and celery chopped, and also I'm adding in 1 pimento pepper. You can use a scotch bonnet or a habanero pepper in place. It's totally optional, you don't have to make it spicy. So you're going to saute this for about a minute or two until it's light brown in color. After which you'll go in with your curry powder. You want to use a mild curry powder here. And we're going to toast this on that same low heat with some turmeric powder. Mix and I'll toast until it feels grainy in your pot. Once it starts to feel grainy, you'll know that it's ready for the water. So you're going to add in your water to help the curry cook additional. So for about 2 minutes additional, this is going to cook and the water will evaporate. The curry paste will start to thicken. Once the water starts to evaporate by half, I'm going in with some coconut milk powder. You can use fresh coconut milk if you have that on hand. Sometimes it's hard to find fresh coconuts, so I always like to keep this powdered milk on hand. Give that a mix and allow it to fry up in there. And you see that beautiful color that the sauce has? And I wish you guys can smell this right now. This smells like the Maldives. In goes some lemongrass, minced garlic and minced ginger, and the tomato chopped. Mix those ingredients into your curry mixture. And once it starts to bubble, let it go for a minute. You want that curry to cook down really well. See, it starts to stick. That's what you want. You'll know the curry is ready, so go in with your fish. Now you can use chicken or any other type of protein you wanted to for this, so feel free to switch it up. Use shrimp, use scallops, use whatever you would like. Chicken, as I said, lamb is going to take longer to cook. If you use any tougher meats, it will take longer to cook. So I'm going to go in with some water. You don't want to add too much water if you're using fish or shrimp or seafood. If you're doing chicken or another tougher protein, you would add enough water to cover it so that it cooks until it's tender. So this is going to cook here for about 5 to 8 minutes. You don't want to cook it too long. You want the salmon to be nice and pink on the inside. So bring it up to a simmer and allow it to cook until the sauce starts to thicken. And at this point, what you would want to do too also is taste and adjust your salt. As it starts to bubble, I'm going in with some curry leaves and some fine thyme. And I'm just nestling that inside of the curry sauce. And once your salmon is cooked and your sauce has a nice consistency and thickness, taste, adjust your salt, and it's now ready to be served. If you guys are interested in the stove that I cooked it on, I'll leave the link in the description box for you all. So I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know what you think. Tag me on Instagram so I can repost your pictures or your videos. Thank you again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.